Hi, today's question comes from Neil. He's a customer who recently bought Relax, my PM adrenal repair formula, and he's been doing great with sleep. He was having trouble sleeping before, and now he's getting a lot better sleep. The problem is he's waking up with less energy than he'd like, and he wants to know, is it normal to wake up feeling groggy when you're taking Relax? The answer is no. I've been getting fantastic results. A lot of people are contacting me all around the country telling me not only are they getting great night's sleeps, but they're also waking up with amazing energy. And the reason is I formulated Relax to be a natural foundational support for the adrenal glands. By lowering your nighttime cortisol in a natural way and not using melatonin, I'm allowing your body to start functioning the way it's meant to. So you start getting great night's sleeps, but you also start waking up with great energy. The reason why I find that there's a few people who are waking up not as energized as they would like to be is because they've had a lot of problems sleeping in the past, and it takes time to get their bodies working. So I've made a couple suggestions for those people, and they've really worked well. Number one, cut the dose from 2 capsules, which is the recommended dose, to 1 capsule. It just allows the body a little bit more time to get used to the formula, and it gives your body time to start getting used to getting the deeper sleeps so you wake up with more energy. Number 2, instead of the recommended 30 to 60 minutes before bed, on my bottle, you'll see that I say up to 3 hours before bed, you can take the Relax. And this is for that particular person. Instead of taking it 30 or 60 minutes before, take it 2.5 to 3 hours before bed. That will allow the nutrients to get into your system, and then as you start waking up in the morning, have more energy. So those are the 2 tips that I've given that have really worked well in the past. Again, everybody's unique. Give it a little bit of time. I'm glad you're getting great night's sleeps, but I really want you to start feeling amazing like most people and have the energy you deserve when you wake up in the morning. Hope this helps. Please feel free to contact me again with any feedback, and have an amazing day.